How to increase coin on Ludo King. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to increase coin on Ludo King. Increasing coin on Ludo King is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Daily bonus. Log in every day to claim your daily bonus, which includes coin. The longer your login streak, the higher the bonus. Spin the wheel. Use the spin wheel feature in the game, which gives you a chance to win coins. This feature is usually available once every few hours. Complete mission. Ludo King offers daily mission that rewards you with coin upon completion. Check the mission tab regularly to complete these tasks. Win matches. The most straightforward way to earn coin is by winning the matches. The amount of coin you earn depends on the type of game and the entry fee. Purchase coins. If you are looking for a quicker way to get coins, you can purchase them through in-game purchases. These are some ways you can increase coin on Ludo King. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.